I am Speed. Victory. 1 winner, 2 losers. Speed. 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 Speed.
Hey, Lightning, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Boogity, boys! Let's go racing!
Come on, you can do it!
Come on, King, make us proud, boy!
50 laps down, and the King is still holding a slim lead.
Hey, McQueen's got a run on him. He's looking to the inside. Oh! Jig slammed the door on him!
Jig's not making it easy on him today.
Oh, man, he lost so much momentum, and now he's going to have to chase him back down.
Oh, McQueen spins out in the infield.
Hey, kid, you all right?
I don't know, Mac. I don't think
I didn't come all this way to see you quit.
Doc? Guys, you're here! I can't believe this!
I knew you needed a crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good.
All right, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut. Now get back out there. Hot snot, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boys. You're gonna have to be fast.
They will not know what beat them.
Kid,
You can beat these guys. Find the groove that works for you and get that lap back.
McQueen passes them on the inside.
But he's still nearly a lap down.
Can he catch up to them with only 60 laps to go?
you're going great, kid. Just keep your head on.
Oh, kid's just trying to be a hero, huh? Well, what do you think of this? Yeah, that's it, kid. What? Whoa! Get it in!
A move by McQueen. He's caught up to the leaders.
Oh, yeah, this is what it's all about. A three-way battle for the lead with 10 to go.
Put it in, boy, go out there!
No, you don't.
Doc, I'm flat! I'm flat!
Can you get back to the pits?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, got a yellow. Bring it in. Don't tear yourself up, kid.
I don't believe it.
That was the fastest pit stop I've ever seen.
It was a great stop, but he's still got to beat that pace car out.
It's going to be close. This is it. We're heading into the final lap, and McQueen is right behind the leaders. McQueen's going inside. and the King are loose.
I think McQueen is out of the race. McQueen saved
He's
it.
back on the track.
Float like a Cadillac?
Sting like a beaver.
Lightning McQueen is gonna win the Piston Cup.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Oh no!
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
You just gave up the Piston Cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.